Hi there. Today we will show you how to apply the Ultra Clear Protector on iPad with the installation kit. Make sure you are under bright lighting and dust-free zone for perfect results. Applying the protector before bedtime and leaving it aside overnight is highly recommended. Let's get started with the application. Open the cleaning kit containing the alcohol wipe, cleaning cloth, and dust removal stickers. Take the alcohol wipe and clean the device of all smudges and dust. Then, use the microfiber cloth to wipe it dry. Lastly, use the dust stickers to remove any lint or dust particles. Start by spraying the soap solution on your fingers and the screen protector. Carefully remove the protector from the backing and spray the solution on the adhesive side from a distance. Apply the protector on the screen while aligning the edges. If you notice any misalignment, carefully readjust the protector until perfect. The solution under the protector will help you move it easily. Once you are sure of the alignment, push out the solution using the squeegee. Make sure to not squeeze out the liquid towards any open ports. Push out any possible air bubble from the nearest edge. If you notice any dust, carefully remove the protector partially and spray some solution to clean the dust. Once done, push out the solution using the squeegee and clean it with the microfiber cloth. Clean the excess solution with the microfiber cloth and leave it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. And you are done with the top protector. Let's move to the bottom protector. Start with cleaning the bottom with the alcohol wipe and microfiber cloth. Use the dust stickers to remove any lint or dust particles. Spray the soap solution on your fingers and the body protector. Carefully remove the protector from the backing and spray the solution on the adhesive side from a distance. Remove the excess solution and apply the protector while aligning the edges and the cutouts. If you notice any misalignment, carefully readjust the protector until perfect. The solution under the protector will help you move it easily. Once you are sure of the alignment, push out the solution using the squeegee. Make sure to not squeeze out the liquid towards any open ports. Use the microfiber cloth to prevent the solution from entering the hinge gap. Then, rub and press down the edges with the microfiber cloth. Now, let's apply the camera ring protector. Spray the solution on your fingers. Carefully remove the protector from the backing and apply on the camera lens. Clean the protector with the microfiber cloth to soak up any excess solution. Leave the protector aside for 5 to 10 minutes so that it sticks firmly. Let's apply the protector on the side frames of the iPad. Spray the soap solution on your fingers and the protector. Apply the protector while aligning the edges. Once you are sure of the alignment, remove the excess solution with a squeegee. Repeat the same process on the other side. Use the same procedure and apply the protector on the top and bottom side frames of the iPad. Apply the protector on the corner edge and you are done with the side frames protector. Your iPad is now safe from scratches and fingerprints with GadgetShieldz 360-degree protector. GadgetShieldz, the trusted name in device protection.